Ruby's a white little blur in the hall. Slips on the floor, runs straight into the wall. Stares at the ceiling like it owes him rent. Jumps at the air like it's highly offensive. He hears a sound, it's just his tail. Acts surprised like logic failed. Oh, Ruby, Ruby, Snow White fool, king of the house but dumb at school. Chasing shadows, fighting light, loses every single fight. Oh, Ruby, Ruby, proud and brave, trapped in a box he couldn't save. Drinks from the sink like it's gourmet wine. Knocks down cups one perfect time. Sits in the way then looks offended like a